All right, so we're back out here at Barstow. I say we, it's me and Morris today. And this should be the last day we're out here tracing Blue Moon, because all we've got is around some technical stuff right in here. We'll loop back around and then it ends back at /X. So we don't have a whole lot of light left. Only spent the afternoon out here today. I was in the office this morning, wrapped up. It's Friday. Got a bunch of stuff done, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna bomb out here to Barstow, spend as much time as I can to get this wrapped up. That way, next time I come out, we can come out here and have a little bit of fun. So I am out here just doing what I do, just following the line on the map, and everything else looks good. The satellite imagery in this map looks good, and honestly, it's kind of nice being out here. I mean, it is cooling down quite a bit for California. It's not -25 or anything, but it's manageable. We had a bunch of snow in the local mountains, which you can't see in the camera very well at all. Just gonna make the best of it. So I'm gonna jump back in the Xterra, get Morse loaded back up. Oh, Morse, let's go for a ride. Morse, load up, come on. Oh, this isn't going well at all. We'll get Morse back in the car and get this wrapped up. So I'll be sure to shoot anything that's interesting. Really, this trail, it's not hard by any means at all, but it's a nice ride out. I would say that if you're already out here in Barstow and you're looking for something to do, this is that something to do. Plenty of mileage that is on this trail, and you know, if you're with a group, a lot of people that are newer, maybe you're spreading out and you need a good trail where it's going to be predictable, and you need a lot of places to kind of regroup if you're starting to kind of get strung out a little bit too far. This is a nice trail. We'll get back in the Xterra and we'll see where we go. All right, so sun is going down. We're past the orange sunset. We just have a little remnants of light. The drone died, so we're done with drone footage for the day. But I will say that this canyon that we just came through, it's really sandy. So it was something, a little bit of an element that we hadn't seen out here on this marked trail before. Which it's been a lot of ups and downs, nothing really technical, but some things you just kind of have to pay attention to. Like I was kind of saying before, it's just a nice like tour out here. Kind of goes around, touches on everything, but that canyon is pretty cool. It just got really sandy, real windy, tight little canyon. So I let Moors out, stretch his legs for a minute, get him loaded back up, and hopefully we can wrap this up before the sun finishes going down. We don't have much more to go, so we'll wrap this up and hopefully call it a day. We just got out of these mountains over here. Same mountains, really like rolling hills. And from here, it's just a straight shot back to /X. And this thing is wrapped up. So I'll get this data in the computer, clean this stuff up, and the next time you see me, we'll be back with more people to run the last 2 trails out here that I believe are quite a bit more difficult than what I just went through. So hopefully it'll be a good time. Well, I mean, anytime you're in the desert off-roading with friends, it's typically a good time. Anyways, that's the plan for what I've got coming up next. Wrap up this Barstow map and get it on the shelf and off to you guys, so you guys can come do this too. Wrapping up my day in the dirt. Thanks for watching.